Alright, so here's my Galaxy 3723 box fan. Doing a re-video of this since it's been quite a while. And the last time I recorded it was with this camera. So, making a reshoot of it. Not much has changed with it, really. Galaxy by Lasco. Decent fan. Not going to be using it anymore though, because I have some fans to try out to replace it. Got the switch here. Missing the handle, unfortunately. Has the classic holes for a stand. But these were rarely seen with a stand though. The Marco motor. Need to oil this thing. I'll probably do that next week though. And there's the back. Switch is up there. Still has one of its feet. Here's the specs. 1993 to 1994. Got some rust on the bottom, some paint chipping. Bottom itself is pretty dirty still. I kind of cleaned this fan out today a little bit. Let's get the classic D blades or butter knife blades with the hole in the hub. Older style switch. And yeah, start with high. Moves a good clip on high. Pretty good fan of the time before these got really cheap and bad. Bit of medium. And low speed. This is the main reason why I'm not using it much anymore. This frickin' rattling that it does. I cannot sleep with it. There's a lot of play in the bearing, the motor, which causes it to chatter like that, because the typical with these things, the hub is out of balance or the blades are out of balance, so it does that and it gets on my nerves. So yeah, it's a good fan. Just can't sleep with it. Moves pretty nice on low though. Back to high. And off. Pretty good coast down. This is of course after it running for a little while, so the motor's warm. When I run it without it being ran for a little while, it's pretty damn stiff. But go ahead and do a start noise on medium. It's a little bit fainter on high, but there you guys go. Galaxy by Lasco 3723.